Hi, Wellesley here from My-Island-Jamaica.com. Welcome again to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, I invite you to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell notification. That way you get notified on all my new emails. Alright, today I have something. I'm going to ask you a question and I want you to be honest with me. When you think of Jamaica, what comes to mind? Well, crime and politics perhaps are probably for many would be some of the first things that comes to mind. But outside of those, on a positive note, for many of us, we think about the greenery and beautiful landscapes, pristine white sand beaches, our lavish, luxurious, all-inclusives, of course, breathtaking sunsets, all of those, our athletes, great food, music, herbs and spices, all of those things are some of the positive things that probably comes to mind or synonymous with Jamaica. But two things that we don't hear about much is our little people, the average, and I dare say the real Jamaicans who helped to make Jamaica what it is. The people, many of them overlooked. And today I want to highlight one such person. He is a little charcoal burner in the rural Montego Bay, rural St. James area. I'll be talking to him and I'm gonna invite you to stay tuned. I don't know his name as yet. I am just about to meet him. So let's go, all right? All right, guys, I'm here and I'm at the charcoal kiln, I think we call it. I am about to meet the gentleman. I don't know his name yet, so I'm gonna introduce him to you at the same time I'm meeting him. All right, my brother. Yes, man. How you doing? Yeah. Blessing. What's your name, man?
Jimmy.
Jimmy, original Jimmy. All right. All right, Jimmy. I was just telling my readers, my listeners, that I'm going to talk to you. Yeah. Many times we overlook the real Jamaicans. Yeah. And you are one of them I consider to be a real Jamaican. Yeah. Traditional man. Yeah. You burn charcoal for your living. I want you to tell me. I'm going to ask you a few questions about it. And you just tell me. Of course, this video is going all over the world. Yeah. So you'll get an opportunity to talk to people you have never met. All right? Yeah. All right, great. So, first thing, man, what is this? What people who have no idea what charcoal burning is, what it is, tell them so they can understand what we're dealing with here.
You get it all together. And you pack it.
Huh?
You get it all together. Small and big. And you pack it. And after you pack it, you left a little hole as a week to throw down the seed for burning fire coal inside of it. And you grass it first.
You grass it first?
Yes. And when you're done, you dirt it.
You dirt it?
But right up to the rim where you don't light it and just have that little space. Yes, and you just throw the fire inside of it. Cover back the top, cover back the hole, and that's it.
And you light it?
Yeah,
but what, alright, so tell us, what is charcoal though? Some people don't have a clue what we're talking about.
It's a tree.
So what do we use it for?
Use it to cook.
Use it to cook?
Yeah.
And alright, and I'm familiar with that. I know my mother used it at some points.
Yeah.
When we run out of gas, we always revert to charcoal.
You put it in the coal pot.
Use it in the coal pot?
And if you have a rim,
yes,
car rim,
yes,
you can put it in it and light it.
Yes.
And cook the food.
Oh, so you use it to cook, mainly to cook food?
Yeah.
But something I learned actually before I came here I was doing some research on it. Yeah. I learned that charcoal is actually good. It's a healthy product as well. It's actually good for some there's a lot of health benefits to it.
Yeah.
I understand about skin care poisoning,
Yeah.
those kind of things. I don't know if you know much about that side. You don't know much about that?
No, I don't know.
You don't know much about that. All right, you just prepare charcoal to cook.
Yeah.
All right, all right.
We see about the restaurant,
Uh-huh.
and look at corners.
Yes.
Everybody come and get it.
Restaurant people come and get it from you.
Yeah.
Okay. How long you doing this, man?
Well, about 30 years now.
30 years.
Yeah.
How is it going?
Well, they're going fine, you know.
Okay. Put food on the table.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
You don't have to trouble now if you don't want, you know.
You don't have trouble nothing for no man.
No, no.
You're honest bread.
Yeah, honest bread.
Yes. How long will you continue to do it?
Well, as long as me live, you know.
Yeah.
I ain't gonna do.
You have not much else to do.
No, I will find if me get a work,
Yeah.
go out and cut fall trees
Yeah.
in that town.
Yeah.
But
You know-
otherwise, I just charcoal.
There's some concern about the health and environmental health,
The health.
environment, about cutting down trees and
Yeah.
the impact on the environment. I don't know if you know much about that. I mean, do you think you have anything?
Like the forest.
Yes.
You're not
Do you anything
supposed
to
go
do
up
with
on-
that? I mean,
yeah,
you're
not supposed to go up on the forest. But
you don't go in the forest.
no, but
Oh.
tree we cut down in the town, like, you know, build a building.
Yes.
There's, so me get
Okay. So you don't. All right. So you don't use the tree that is in the forest.
No,
you
me
get
go in the
you
forest.
get trees that are cut down for
Yeah.
building purposes,
Yeah,
and that's what you use.
yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Just like for that chocolate park.
Huh?
Just like for the chocolate park.
Truck passing.
Yeah, and the wood. And
Yeah.
if you see the coal skill, you just leave the wood then.
Okay.
The wood them supposed to go to dump, but once you have coal burner,
Yes.
I took my leave them too.
Yes. Let me. How did you learn about this though? I mean, how did you first get into it?
You know, say, I fella want to old man go to the hills, you know.
Yeah.
We in a one jungle, far,
Yeah.
about 3 miles.
From here.
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And we used to raise cow and goat and then sitting and plant ground.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm going to see him pack up this round post kill have and stick in it.
A stick in the top.
Yes.
Mm.
I'm asking say that is for what?
Yeah.
He say that is the ear hole. That
Oh.
is not to close. When you don't throw it on the fire night, it don't close.
Oh.
So once you go and light it, you don't pull out that stick out of it, and you guys see the hole clear and you throw down the light for your coal inside it.
Okay.
Yeah.
They actually leave a hole inside it.
Yes, I believe a
Yeah,
hole.
this is what they call it. What they call it? What they call this thing here?
This one is a round coal skill.
A roll pull.
This one round.
Pull skill, you call it.
Yes.
Okay. All right, let's go around the other side and look at this. So this is a round one,
Yeah.
and you have a long one.
Yeah.
All right, so right here, just before you. So this is coal, this is burning,
Yeah.
this is smoke coming out of here.
Okay.
All right.
You don't finish that yet.
Mm-hmm. So this is one in production right now.
Yes. Yes.
All right. So this one is one that you're making fresh.
Yes.
All right. You look a bicycle there.
Yeah.
All right. But this one is a
Long.
long one.
Yeah.
All right. What's the difference between them?
What's the difference?
Yeah.
This one burn faster more on the round one.
This one burn faster.
Yeah.
Okay.
The round one you have to wait on the round one till it's burned done before you go in night. But by 3 to 4 days time you like this, you can start charcoal.
Oh. Okay. So what amount of coal this one produce now?
This one you don't finish as yet, but you have more than 50 bags on it right now.
50 bags of coal.
Yes, you have more than 50 bags.
Okay.
Right now.
How long it take you to put this together?
This calls about 2 weeks.
2 weeks.
And if you did have the wood them sufficient, been finished already.
Okay.
But you need to wait on the wood.
Yes.
Trees to come.
Okay. All right. And you get about 50 bags.
Yeah, more than 50 bags in there.
Okay.
About 55 bags.
Well, I don't want to be nosy, but I want to get an
No,
idea.
you
How much?
no.
How much you sell per bag? For a bag of coal. I mean, I know this is probably wholesale.
No, if somebody stop right, I know, me selling for 1,200.
1,200 Jamaican.
Yes, but if you have 1,000, me still take it.
Yes,
I'm
yes.
making one.
Okay, nice.
Yeah.
Do you have any youngsters come gravitate towards you to learn it or anything like that?
No, them only want to come if they have money, then just come and help me work and me pay them and then gone.
Okay.
Them don't want to stay. Them just like the fast money.
You like the fast money, unfortunately. Who are the person who buys from you? Who buy this coal from you?
Yeah, you never look at Belgium near right away have a cook shop.
Mm.
We take like 50 bag
Mm.
and we pay them like 20,000.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so and other people come around and him
other-
buy it and sell it to other people?
No, he just use that running cook shop.
Okay.
So we wait on him and get the money that way there.
Okay.
But if other somebody come and want, like other people come and want a 5 bag or 4 bag to sell them the same way.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
All right. Well, good man. It was a pleasure, man,
Okay.
talking to you.
Yeah.
I wish you well.
Yeah.
So, I appreciate. I always feel good coming to meet with people like you. I consider to be the real Jamaican.
Yeah.
The people who keep the culture together.
Sure.
Right? I appreciate it, and I just want to big you up and wish you all the best. So, all the best in your endeavors, man. I hope you live long, and God's willing, I'll be back to touch base with you another time.
Yes.
All right?
Yeah.
Blessing, man. All right. So yes, yeah, Jimmy, we're back again, man. And you're doing what you doing now?
Dry.
Drying.
Yeah.
All right. Meaning you're,
Repeat.
huh?
I repeat now.
You're reaping now. You're taking out the coal from the, we call this thing again? The
Skill.
skill.
Yeah.
Okay. So the fire is still there.
Yeah, yeah. But it's low.
It's low. Okay.
Is it ready? Yeah, that's small amount of fire.
Small amount of fire.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, Jimmy, this is hard work, man.
Yeah.
Huh?
A hard work, you know, but you have to dedicate yourself to it. You know? Yeah. Once you dedicate yourself, you're not too hard, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah. You have to make up your mind. You see it, you have to make up your mind. You know?
original coalman in rural St. James. He's, for those of you who are interested in contacting him, whether you want to talk to him more and understand his craft, or you want to purchase some coal, his contact is 886-75-17. 886-75-17. That's Jimmy Coleman in Montego Bay. And actually St. James. I keep saying Montego Bay. St. James. Alright, Jimmy, big up my brother. Big up all the best again, yeah?